Let's be real. How much time do you spend every week just chasing dust bunnies or cleaning up pet hair? Most of us feel like we're constantly vacuuming just to keep the floors decent. That's why this new 20,000 pascals robot vacuum and mop is such a massive leap forward. It's not just a little helper. It's basically a high-powered cleaning crew that lives under your sofa. The suction power, here, is the true headline. At 20,000 pascals, this is significantly more powerful than almost any other robot on the market. It doesn't just surface clean. It pulls deep-seated dust out of thick carpets and handles heavy pet hair like it's nothing. But the best part for anyone who hates chores? You can literally ignore it for up to 120 days. Thanks to the self-emptying base, it docks itself, sucks the dirt out of its internal bin, and stores it in a sealed bag that you only have to touch once every 4 months. This robot is also smart enough to actually know your home. It uses LiDAR navigation to map your rooms with pinpoint accuracy, meaning it won't get stuck under the dining table or spend 20 minutes bumping into the same chair leg. It supports 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, so the app control is lightning fast. You can tell it to mop the kitchen but only vacuum the living room, all with a tap on your phone. If you have pets or a busy household, this is how you finally get your weekends back. Click the link below for the best price and experience the future of a truly hands-off clean.